All right, I've got my marine ecosystem here, so kids would build this rather than what I did. I've got different places where there's kelp, and the sea urchins are in eating all of the kelp, overpopulated. And every time we get to blue, we should stop, turn lights on, and play an alarm. There we go. So I think this would be really cool because you can see the lights barely flashing. I think this would be really cool if when we can start doing concurrency, if the kids can do both the lights and the alarm at the same time. Oh,